Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear door handle on this 2004 Trailblazer. Pretty much the same as any 02 to 09 GM midsize, which is the Envoy, Ascender, 97X, as well as the Bravada and Rainier. On some of those different models, removing the door panel, the procedure for that could differ a little. Only tools you'll need are a 7mm and 10mm socket with ratchet and extension, and a small flat blade screwdriver.
Start by using a small screwdriver, and you want to pry up this little kind of trap door here. Pull it out. There's two 7mm bolts there, and then around your door handle you can see the little slots. You want to take your screwdriver, push in there, and pull out. Okay, so we'll push and then pull out on this bezel, and then there's another one right up here, another one here. Okay, and the last one up here. And that comes right off. Your power window switch, just kind of work your screwdriver underneath. It pops up and out. And then there's a tab right here. You can just put your screwdriver in, push, and pry it out. Disconnect that. And now I'll remove these two 7mm screws.
Okay, and we'll just fast forward, just taking those two 7mm bolts out.
Once you have all that out, you just kind of work your hands underneath. Start, probably easiest if you start here in the front. And you just pull the panel, nice brisk pull. Okay. Then it comes off. You can see it has all the pins just go into little holes.
Now you want to carefully pull the top of your water shield down. Take care not to rip the water shield.
Now you want to go inside the door, and you'll see a yellow clip there. Try my best to film it. So you're just going to reach in with your finger, flip that clip open, and then pull the rod out of the clip. Now right in through here, you can see a 10mm nut. You want to remove that. 10mm socket with an extension, my ratchet. And the nut comes out. The handle. Oh, there is a. Comes right out. There is a. You heard it fall down. This is the clamp that goes on the back. Okay. And if you're putting a new handle on, you'd want to switch this rod over. Just press this clip down off, pull the rod out, put it on your new handle. Obviously this handle's fine, I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay. Put the handle back into place, go up and in like that. Now I'll take the clamp goes on like that.
So just feed it up through here and put it into place. Take my 10mm nut. It's easy enough to get your hands in there. Start it. Okay. And then use my socket ratchet and extension again. And I'm just going to hold the handle steady out here while I tighten up the nut. As it gets tighter, I'm going to check the location of that brace. Tighten it up nice and firm. Okay, reconnect our rod. Take our rod. Okay, place it in the clip. Okay, and lock the clip on. Put your door panel back on. Make sure your harness gets into this little cavity. Pull it through. Okay, you should be able to pretty much just put the panel into place. Kind of look back here. You'll see the little green pin. So where it's supposed to go. And you can look over here. Pretty much once you have those two pins, okay, you're all good. Connect our switch. Push it down. Okay, this has a little lineup pin. Goes into a hole in the handle. Make sure you push on all four corners. Bring your two 7mm bolts. Okay, we'll fast forward as we put those bolts in and tighten them up. You want them nice and snug. They don't have to be overly tight though. Okay, and now push this back into place. One good thing is just to make sure your door is unlocked and you're all set. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.